السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Dear first intermediate student, our lecture today is about solving the question and exercise of finding the volume and the area, surface area of compound shape. This lecture is first intermediate student, second book or second part, page number 52. We will take question number 1. Find the volume of the following compound dimensional shape. In question number 1 we have compound shape, three-dimensional shape, which is consist of, or we can divide it into three parts or three shapes, simple shape. The first shape. طلاب الأعزاء، طلاب الصف الأول متوسط، موضوعنا اليوم طبعا مثل ما قلنا هو حل أسئلة وتمارين إيجاد المساحة، السطحية، وحجم الأشكال المجسمة لطلاب الصف الأول المتوسط، الفصل السادس chapter 6 page number 52. في السؤال الأول first question or question number 1, we have a compound shape which is consist of or we can divide it into a three shape. This is question number 1. So we will divide it into three shape. This one and this one and this one. First shape is parallel pipe. Its dimension, as it's shown in the book or in the figure, 6. Its length is 20 and width is 5 and its height equal 6. And the second shape is a cube, also parallel pipe. Its dimension in the figure, its height, its length is 2 and its width 4 and its height equal 8. The third shape equal the second shape. طبعا طلاب الأعزاء، مثل ما عرفنا, as we know previously, that to find the volume or the area of any compound shape we have to divide it into simple shape. Then finding the volume or the area of this simple shape, so we can find the volume of the compound shape by adding the volume of this simple shape. مثل ما عرفنا من أخذنا موضوع إيجاد حجم أو مساحة السطحية للاشكال المجسمة، حتى نجد المطلوب إذا كان حجم أو مساحة يجب أن يجزأ الشكل إلى ثلاث أشكال. الشكل الأول we divided it into, طبعا حسب 2 or more. We divided the shape into three shapes, simple shape. The first one is parallel pipe. Its dimension, we take it from the figure. The second shape equal the third shape. Its dimension also we take it from the figure. So we find the volume of the first shape. Since the shape is parallel pipe, we use the law of volume of parallel pipe, length by width by height, which is equal 20. These are the dimension of the first shape, by 5 by 6. 6 by 5 is 30. Then 20 by 30 equals 600 centimeter to the power 3 is the volume of the first shape. And since the second shape and the third shape are equal, so the volume of the second shape equal the volume of the third shape, and it will be equal length by width by height. Parallel pipe, so we will use the law of parallel pipe to find the volume. The length is 2 by the width is 4 and the height is 8. 2 by 4, 8 by 8, 64 centimeter to the power 3 is the volume of the second shape and the third shape. So the volume of the compound shape equal V1 plus V2 plus V3, or V1 plus 2 by V2, since V2 equal V3. يعني حجم الشكل المجسم هو حجم الشكل الأول وحجم الشكل الثاني زائد حجم الشكل الثالث. نجمع الحجم مالتهم، أو حجم الشكل الأول زائد 2 في حجم الشكل الثاني، لأن الشكل الأول والثاني متساويين فنقدر نضرب الحجم في 2. فالمهم راح يكون الحل كالآتي: تعويض substituting the value of V1 and V2 and V3 600 plus 64 plus 64, it will be 728 centimeter to the power 3 is the volume of the compound shape of question 1. Now in question number 2 also we have a compound shape as it's shown here. We will divide the shape, also divided it. The first shape, its dimension, this is the first shape. Length equal 5 and width equal 2 and its height equal 3. The second shape, we have the second shape as we see here. This shape, its width is 2 centimeter. So the second shape and the third shape will be, its dimension will be like this. The second shape, as we see in here, its length equal 4 and its height equal 5, and its width, it's exactly equal the width of the first one, because all they have the same width, equal 2. Now the third shape, its dimension is the length equal 2 and the width of the second shape, the blue one, it's exactly the width of the first and the second shape, which is 2, and the height also equal the height of the first shape, because it's equal its height equal the height of the first shape, 3 centimeter. Now to find the volume of the shape, of the compound shape, we have to find the volume of the first shape, which is parallel pipe. We use the law of parallel pipe. Length 5 by width 2 by height 3. 2 by 5, 10 by 3, 13 centimeter to the power 3 is the volume of the first shape. The second shape, its volume, length by width by height. 4 by 2 by 5. Now 4 by 5 4 by 5, 20 by 2, 40 centimeter to the power 3 is the volume of the second shape. The volume of the third shape, length by width by height, length is 2 by width is also 2 and the height is 3. 2 by 2, 4 by 3 is 12 centimeter to the power 3 is the volume of the third simple shape. Now the volume of the compound shape equal the addition of the volume of these 3 simple shape. يعني حجم الشكل المركب كلته هو مجموع حجوم الأشكال الثلاثة V1 plus V2 plus V3, since the volume of any compound shape is adding the volume of its simple shape. بما أنه حجم الشكل المركب هو يساوي مجموع حجوم أشكالها البسيطة. the first V1 equal 30 plus 40 plus 12, 30 plus 40, 70 plus 12 is 80 2 centimeter to the power 3 is the volume of the question 2, of the compound shape of question 2. Now in this shape we have also to find the volume of its shape, so we will divide it into 3 simple shapes. The first one is this one. This is the first shape. And the second one is this shape. And the third one is this shape. So, to find the volume of any compound shape, we have to find the volume of its simple shape. The volume of the first shape, which is parallel pipe, is length by width by height. Its length is 4. This is the length. And its width is 3. And its height is 2. 3 by 4 is 12. By 2 is 24 centimeter to the power 3. Now the volume of the second shape, which is this parallel pipe, length by width and height. Its length is 6 centimeter. And its width is also 6 centimeter. And its height is 5. 6 by 5, 30 by 6, 180 centimeter to the power 3. Now the volume of the third shape, which is this parallel pipe, length by width by height. Its length is 4. Its length is 4. And its width is 3. And its height is also 3. 4 by 3 is 12. By 3 is 63 centimeter to the power 3. Now the volume of the compound shape is volume of the addition of volume of a simple shape. يعني حجم الشكل المركب هو مجموع حجوم الأشكال البسيطة اللي متكون منه V1 and V2 and V3. 24 plus 180 plus 36. 6 by 0 with 0, 6 and 4, 10, 2 and 1. 4 and 8, 12. With 2 is 14. 4 and we have 1. So the volume of compound shape is 240 centimeter to the power 3. And by the same way, we will solve question number 4. I will leave it as homework on you. We have to divide the compound shape into 2 or more than 2 simple shape and find the volume of simple shape to find the volume of the compound shape. Now we have the second part of this exercise. Solve the exercise. The question number 5, I will read it. If you know that the compound shape consists of 8 matchboxes with the dimension, we have 8 matchboxes as it's shown in the figure. The dimension of each one of these boxes is 2 centimeter and 4 and 6. What is the total volume of the shape? This will be the length and width and the height. These are the dimension of each one of these 8 boxes. So to find the volume of the compound shape, we will it's already divided into 8 simple shapes. So we have to find one of the volume of the simple shape, which is length by width by height. 2 by 4 by 6. 2 by 2 by 4, 8. 8 by 6, equal 48 centimeter to the power 3 of the box. This is the volume of the box. So the volume of the compound shape طلع من انتبهوا. هنا بالسؤال منطينا شكل متكون من يعني ثمان اشكال، هو مقسم الشكل الى ثمان اشكال صغيره مستطيلات. منطينا ابعاده هي length, width 2 and 4 and 6. length, width and height. And he want us to find the volume of the compound shape. نريد نجد حجم الشكل المركب. فمع أن الشكل متكون من ثمان أشكال متطابقة تماما، فما يحتاج نجد حجم كل شكل، نجد حجم شكل واحد، وبعدين حجم الشكل المركب هو 8 في حجم هذه الأشكال، فيكون 8 by 48 which is equal 384 centimeter to the power 3 is the volume of the compound shape that is consist of 6 matches of box. Now in question number 6, we have the dimension of the upper board of table. We have a table. The dimension of the upper board is 0.1 meter and 0.8 and 1.2 meter. And the dimension of each drawer of the sixth drawer, the dimension of each drawer of the sixth drawer are 0.2 meter and 0.8 and 0.3. What is the total volume or calculate the total volume of the table? Here we divided the table into upper board and 6 of drawer. So to find the volume of the table, we have to find the volume of board and volume of a drawer. Since each one of these 6 drawer are equal or matches، يعني بما انه اول شيء راح نقسم الميز الى بورد علوي اللي هو مساحته لازم نعطينا ابعاد ونجد حجمه حتى نجد حجم الشكل الكلي، نجد حجم البورد العلوي ونجد حجم كل وحده من هذه المجرات اللي هو الطاولة متكونة من 6 من هذه المجرات. طبعا مجرات متطابقة، فحتى نجد حجم الشكل الأصلي راح نجد حجم البورد العلوي ونجد حجم المجر، بعدين نضربه في 6 لأن هذه المجرات متطابقة. So the volume of board equal length by width by height, 0.1 by 0.8 by 1.2. So we multiply this number 1 by 8, 8, 8 by 12, equal 96, and we have 3 digits after the decimal fraction, so we count 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3. This is the volume of the board. Now the volume of each one of these drawer, also length by width by height. Substituting the dimension of the drawer, 0.2 multiplying by 0.8 multiplying by 0.3. So multiplying this number, 2 by 3, 6, 6 by 8, 6 by 2, 8, 6 by 2, 2 by 3, 6 by 8, is 40 48, and we have 3 digits after the decimal fraction, so we count 3 digits, 1, 2, and 3. Now, volume of the table is the volume of board plus 6 by the volume of drawer. حجم الطاولة كامل هو حجم البورد العلوي اللي هو سطح الطاولة زائد حجم 6 من هذه المجرات. فما احنا وجدنا من هذه المجرات متطابقة، فنجد حجم واحد منها بعدين نضربه في 6، فراح تكون 0.048 multiplying by 6 equal 0.288 plus the volume of the board is 0.096. We make addition for these numbers. It will be equal 0.384 centimeter to the power 3. طلاب الأعزاء، فكرة هذا السؤال مطلوب إيجاد حجم. We have to find the volume of the table. So we divided the table, the compound shape, which is the table, into the upper board and 6 drawer. To find the volume of the table, we will find the volume of the upper board and the volume of one of these 6 matches drawer. نجد حجم البورد العلوي ونجد حجم واحد من هذه المجرات المتطابقة. Then the volume of the board of the table will be the volume of the board plus 6 by the volume of the drawer. Now the next question or next part of this question, solve the problems. Question number 8. Also we have a table. The upper board. Question number 7. The upper board is dimension is 1 meter and 2 and 13. Here we have 13 centimeter. We have to make it 13 centimeter over 100, so it will be 0.3 متر. هنا يجب علينا تحويل البعد الثالث اللي هو بالسنتيمتر منطينا هو حتى نحوله على المتر. And the legs of the table, we have 4 parallel legs. The surface of its base is square. The legs, its legs have a square base. The length of the square base of the legs is 25 centimeter. Also, we have to change it to a meter. So L equal 25 over 100. So 0.25 meter is the dimension of the length of the square base of legs. And its height, the height of the leg equal 1 meter. Here we have the length equal the width and equal 0.24. Since we have a square base, مع انه لدينا قاعدة مربعة اللي هي أقدام الطاولة، فتكون الطول في العرض للأقدام هو متساوي اللي هو 0.25 centimeter. Now to find the volume, also we have to find the volume, total volume. We have to find the total volume of the surface area. نقلب the common area, we calculate the surface area. هنا مطلوب إيجاد المساحة الكلية وليس الحجم للطاولة. So we will use the law of area to find the area of the board and find the area of each one of the legs. Then we make addition minus the area of the common minus the common area. حتى نجد المساحة، احنا قلنا تذكرون بالاشكال المجسمة المركبة حتى نجد المساحة الكلية هي مجموع مساحات الأشكال البسيطة، يعني مو نجزء الشكل مثلا إلى جزئين بسيطين أو ثلاثة، ولكن أشلي ناقص المساحة المشتركة. So we will find the area of upper board, of the board. Since the board is parallelepiped, the law of area of parallelepiped total area or surface area is 2 by length plus width by height plus 2 by length by width. So substitute length, this is the length and width and height. 2 by length is 1 plus width is 2 multiplying by height is 0.3 plus 2 by length is 1 by width is 2. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 by 2, 6. 6 multiplying by 0.3 or 0.3 equal 1.8 plus 2 by 1, 2 by 2, 4. 4 plus, we have to make addition for the integers part. 4 plus 1, 5.8 centimeter, meter to the power 2. This is the area. Why we have to equal the decimal fraction, the digits after the decimal fraction. Now to find the area of the legs. Area of legs. Also by using the same law of parallelepiped length 2 pi. Here we have in the legs the length and width are equal, which are 0.25 plus 0.25. Multiplying by height is 1 plus 2 by length, which is 0.25, and by the width also 0.25. Now multiplying this number 0.25 and 0.25 equal 0.15 by 2 will be 1. By 1 equal 1 plus 2 by 0.25, 2 multiplying by 0.25 multiplying by 0.25 equal 100, so the total area is 1 meter 125 is the total area. Now to find the area of all the shape equal the area of board plus the area of 4 legs, so 4 by the area of legs minus the common area. Here we have the common area is area of square. This is the dimension of the square, which is minus for the first leg we have 2 faces, 2 common faces, and the second legs also we have 2 common faces, and for the third legs also we have 2 common, and for the fourth legs also we have 2 common faces, square faces. Then we have minus 8 by the square base, which is its length 0.25 multiplying by 0.25. Now the area of the board is 5.8 plus 1.125 minus 8 by 0.25 by 0.25, 8 multiplying by 0.25 by 0.25, which is equal 0.5. Now make addition for this and subtraction for these numbers. 5.8 plus 1.125 minus 0.5, which is equal 6.425 meter to the power 2 is the total area or the surface area of the table. طلابي الأعزاء راح أعيد شرح المثال مع مترجم طبعا. الشكل متكون من طاولة، سطح الطاولة اللي هي البورد، و اللي هي أقدام أو اللي يرتكز عليها الميز الليجز طبعا 4. فحتى نجد المساحة الكلية راح نجد مثل ما نعرف مساحة البورد ومساحة هذه الأقدام. زين، ولكن في المساحة مو مثل الحجم. حتى نجد المساحة الكلية لازم مساحة الأشكال المركبة منها هذا الشكل، يعني مساحة البورد وأربع سيقان وأربع في مساحة ساق واحد، لكن أشنو ناقص؟ المساحة المشتركة. هنا المساحة المشتركة العلو اللي هي مكعب الشكل. زين، هنا هذا راح يتطابق مع الميز طبعا، فيصير هنا وجه وهنا وجه مربع، فناقص وجهين مربعين مشترك. وبما انه لاربع اشكال فيصير وجهين مربعين هنا وهنا وجهين مربعين اربعه وهنا وجهين مربعين سته وهنا وجهين مربعين، فيصير ناقص مساحه ثمان اوجه مربعه بعد طوله وعرضه هو 0.25 متر. فبعد التعويض والتبسيط وجدنا المطلوب والمساحه السطحيه المطلوبه للشكل.